Running offers a multitude of physical, mental, and emotional benefits. Some of the key advantages of running include: 1. Improved cardiovascular health. Running strengthens the heart, increases circulation, and improves overall cardiovascular function. 2. Weight management. Regular running can help with weight loss and weight management by burning calories and increasing metabolism. 3. Stronger muscles and bones. Running regularly can increase bone density and strengthen muscles, leading to better overall physical health and reduced risk of osteoporosis. 4. Stress relief. Running is known to release endorphins, which can help alleviate stress and improve mood. It is an effective way to reduce symptoms of anxiety and depression. 6. Increased energy levels. Engaging in regular running can boost energy levels and improve overall stamina and endurance. 7. Improved cognitive function. Running has been associated with improved cognitive function, including better memory, increased focus, and enhanced overall brain health. 8. Boosted immune system. Regular physical activity, including running, can strengthen the immune system, leading to better overall health and a reduced risk of certain diseases. 9. Enhanced self-esteem. Achieving personal running goals can lead to a sense of accomplishment and improved self-confidence. 10. Community and social benefits. Participating in running events or joining running clubs can provide opportunities for social interaction and a sense of community. Fostering a supportive and motivating environment.